Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how to view your download history in Google Play Store on your Android device. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, make sure to put your comments after watching and also subscribe to our channel. So dear friends, let us get down to the topic. If you're interested in your Play Store download history for the entire time you've been using your device, it's very easy to check it. First, you will need to open the Play Store on your device, and then at the top right, click on your image. Next, you will be interested in this here option Manage Apps and Device. Now, you will need to tap Manage at the top. Now you will see a list of all the apps that are currently installed and active on your device. If you want to see those apps that you have previously downloaded, but then deleted, and now these apps are not on your phone. To do that, click here and select Uninstalled. Wait a couple seconds, and you'll get a full download of your history and the entire list of apps that were once on your device. And let's say, if you would like to download any of the apps you deleted earlier, it is very easy to do so. For this, you will have to tap on any app to mark it. Now at the top, click on the download sign. And as you can see, that app will instantly download to your device afresh. This is the way, friends, you can quickly and easily view your download history on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write a comment and be sure to put your likes. Friends, see you soon.